So, may binili pala ako na net. Ilalagay ko dito sa aking cherry. Yan, para hindi kainin ng cherry. At hindi lang cherry, pati maliit na bata. Dahil kinukuha niya yung mga hilaw pa na mga cherry. So, kailangan natin yang protektahan. Kailangan natin yang protektahan. 9. Dahil ang maliit na bata ay kinakain yung mga hilaw na cherry. So big? Really big.
Yeah. Can we start here?
Can do this in the andere Ecke? Can you here in the andere Ecke and then ich bin hier hinten? Hello. Delicious. I will get some first. Ethan. No, it has. You can put it on them. Ayan, harvest muna tayo bago natin ito isarado. I forgot to harvest.
How we can put it down? And it's not big enough. Okay.
Look. Ethan, cook ah. Bigay ko kay Ethan. Dahil siya naman talaga yung mahilig kumain ito. You hold with your 2 hands, please. With your 2 hands. It's cannot.
Ja, dann machen wir das einmal. So. Dann müssen wir einmal rumwickeln. Aber das muss doch zum Boden reichen.
Guck. Ist immer noch so viel.
Ja.
Guck.
Wir sind ja auch gerade bei der.
Immer noch so viel.
So, dann mach weiter.
You know that it's really like that working with husband and wife. Okay, give me pass. Give me eine. Give me eine.
Kann ich?
Bye bye snake. So, ayan, malapit nang maano. Maganda, nilagyan natin namin ng net para protection at talaga yan siya. Dahil sayang din, magaganda pa naman yung mga cherry. Hala, nasa loob!
Your protection don't work.
My protection don't work. Hala, hindi. My protection don't work. Someone is inside. Yan, yung protection, it don't work. Someone is already inside.
Ethan, komm da raus.